Me I tell you something, you see it is a stone, they not go stop till one of them dead. And me not depend that. Me not have no black dress in my closet. A white me I deal with.
Man, them chat national there. Sit down. No, where you coming from?
Calm down, my daughter. I never really come here to upset you. But then again, speaking of white dresses, and I see your finger looking very festive. So then, things that bad between us that the giveaway father.
Why you never start the mood off with that first? You start it off with that and then you just get me. Alright, let me hold on. Let me calm you. Give me 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Where do I say now? Go on again.
Speaking of white dresses.
Yes.
And I notice your finger looking very festive. Then, things are bad between us. That the giveaway father had to find out like this.
King, really? You repeat back everything when you just say that was cute though, but yeah.
So, when am I going to meet Mr. Right? And can I tell you something? It better be right, or I'm going to be wrong. Dead right.
I love you too.
I love you too. Hold on, give me a second. Hello? Stone? Hold on, man. I don't hear you, man. Where you going? Calm down, man. You go too far. Yeah. Don't say nothing. May I come link? I just make 2 calls and check you back. Yeah.
King hour. I see. I see him thing. We just sit down there start talk about, you know. I see him thing. We just sit down there. What more? King talk now.